Hey guys, I don't feel like opening the package yet, the box that the parts came in, but I will show you what I got through the website. I did not cheap out on anything. Got this because my general manager said I need to get it. Got that. And then for AC compressor, I went with 4 Seasons. But then I did not get the cheaper one because that's a remanufactured, even though I could have got a bigger refundable core deposit on it. I didn't get the kit because we didn't need the kit because we already installed the expansion valve. We probably should have got the kit because it comes with everything else like O-rings and all. So we'll find out if we should have got that instead of not the cheaper AC compressor, but the more expensive compressor if it comes with everything that this one comes with. But it is what it is. We'll just have to figure it out, guys. I may have been better off getting this one instead, honestly thinking about it. Because it comes with the new expansion valve, even though we've already replaced it. Wait, I got an idea. Let me do a comparison. Whoa! Come pre-charged with PAG oil. Damn. Never mind, it comes with O-ring sealing washers. Okay, okay. I see you guys, 4 Season. Hell yeah. That's good to hear. This one comes with everything else as well, like all the caps and everything, all the rings that we don't need and whatnot. Because I'm going to do this at the shop, so it'll come with, I'll have all the access to everything. So, honestly it wasn't even worth it, spending this amount of money, $443 plus tax on it. Well, I'll show you guys. There's some new things that we don't even need anyway, so there was a good thing we didn't buy the kit version. I just wanted to let you guys know. So then hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can notify me. Good morning. upload, live stream, make YouTube shorts, and keep an eye on the community tab until YouTube makes features where you get notified when I post them. Community tab, I guess, peace. I'm out. Yeah.